Hey everyone, if you're looking to see your Trello cards and due dates right in Google Calendar, well then, don't worry, I've got you covered. So it's a great way to keep track of deadlines without constantly switching between apps. So to do this, simply start by opening the Trello board you want to sync. And on the right hand side, simply click Show Menu, then More. So from here, you can then select Calendar, and if you don't have the Calendar option, simply make sure the Calendar Power-Up is enabled from your board. So once it's on, you can then click the settings or gear icon inside the calendar view and copy the iCal link. So next, you can then open Google Calendar, and on the left hand side, simply click the plus button that's going to be next to the other calendars option. Then choose from URL. So once you do this, you can then paste your Trello iCal link right here and then click Add Calendar. So your Trello cards with due dates will then appear in Google Calendar, and any updates in Trello will automatically sync. And that's it. So you can now manage your schedule more efficiently and never miss a deadline again. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.